up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, thumbs up. Come on and join the fun.
Sweet thing.
And now you're mine.
Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today it is Vlogtober day 5. Happy Thursday to y'all. It is my first DIY project of Vlogtober. So I decided to start you off a little, with something you may or may not have seen before. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a little minute, you have seen this project before, or you may have seen it from someone else on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever. So today I'm doing a large candy, and I have some snacks here. I have my 2 bowls, but before I get into all of that, say hey T in the comment section. How y'all doing today? How you doing? Yeah, say hey. Did you click the bell yet? So you're notified when I do posts, because I'm posting all Vlogtober, every single day. You may even see some DIY projects back to back. This project is a DIY project. It is a fruit basket. Of course, I took the fruit out of it, but it is a fruit basket or a centerpiece, whatever you want to do with it. But I did have some oranges around here, so go ahead and watch that project. I'll pin it in the description down below. But I thought it'd look cute back here just to match the theme of the video. So we have that. But I got 2 bowls here. And when I do my Dollar Tree projects, for the most part, 99.9% of the time, all my all my items are from Dollar Tree. Of course, I didn't get these snacks from Dollar Tree, but there are snacks that you can choose at Dollar Tree to put inside your big candy. So go ahead and get you some snacks. You're going to need 2 of these large bowls, tape, scissors, a tablecloth. Get you some bows. You get 2 for $1, 25. I was about to start by 2 for $1, but that quarter, they added that extra quarter, which be adding up sometimes. But I got some glitter spiders here. If you get the spiders, you're going to need your hot glue gun and your hot glue sticks, okay? And how cute is this cauldron that I got from Dollar Tree Plus, $5. So this is real cute. You put the water in it, plug it in, got the LED lights and a little mist. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get started with this project. So first what we're going to do is put our candy inside one of the bowls. So throw your little snacks in there. This is super duper cute, especially for anyone can make this, but if you're a parent that doesn't take your kid out trick-or-treating, y'all prefer to stay in the house, watch movies, and you got a candy centerpiece or something like that, this is a nice little way to make it fun, more fun for your kids. Make a big candy, a giant candy. So we got our candy in our bowl, and we're going to take our other bowl and put it right on top. And what we're going to go ahead and do next is go around and tape the bowls shut. Tape both bowls and just pinch and rub. I'm so excited for Vlogtober. I hope y'all have been enjoying it so far. I put out my walkthrough videos. Where'd that tape go? It's always something. And it was my daughter's birthday on Vlogtober day 2. So I hope you all enjoyed that vlog. Alright, so we have our bowls taped together. And now what we're going to do is kind of clear our space because we're going to open up our tablecloth. This is the one I chose. Choose any one you'd like. I'm going to try to keep the packaging of the tablecloth nice because I never used the entire tablecloth. So I always cut some and then I can use it for another DIY project or anything else I choose to use it for. Okay, so let's open up our tablecloth. And our hot glue is just spilling all over the place. So what I like to do is just eye up my length. And I see how much I want scrunched on the sides for my candy look. So I think I'm just going to go a little bit more. Let's move this up. Okay, so that's good. Okay. Let's take it back back a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, so that's good. So you just kind of eye it up and cut where you think you'll need to cut at, or you can just measure it. So here's the tablecloth I have left. So you can actually use this still for the table, for another project. You can use it for anything you want. Heck, you can turn it into some type of costume. So let's put that in there. Let's watch the hot glue. All right. Boom, good as new. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and move our candy over and open up our tablecloth. So this is how long mine is here. Let's open it up all the way. Okay. All right, so I'm actually gonna turn my candy and go ahead and flip up the tablecloth, and I'm going to tape right there. Just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and take the other side and flip it up and overlap it like that. Take some more tape and tape this part down. Means this will be our front. Okay? Super easy, cute, and quick DIY project. You could do one for all your kids, different colors, and I mean, the options are unlimited because there's so many tablecloths, so many designs, so many different color bows. You know what I mean? So here's how our candy looks so far. And now we're going to go ahead and get our bows ready. Okay, go ahead and take your bow, rip the first one off. Just find the center of it and kind of pull it apart and rip. Okay, so now we have our bows ready. Turn your candy and start to gather it. Like you're doing a ponytail. Okay. Gather it. Don't pull too much because you don't want to leave too much off this side. Before you tie one side, you can gather it on the other side just to make sure that they're even, and that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and twist this side. Okay, let's take our bows. And we're just going to tie it one time. I'll try to get up here so y'all can see it. Pull them all through. And then pull. Then just fluff out your candy on that side. You can pull your tablecloth, just like you do ponytail. Pull it to make it tighter, but be gentle at the same time. Okay, just like that. And I still think I got a little bit more on this side, but we'll see. Let's twist it. Okay, and take your bow and do the same exact thing on this side. Okay. So I'm trying to pull it this way a little bit and then just slide down my bows. Okay. Fluff them out. I think this side looks a little bigger. So let me pull again and slide my bows again. Okay. And there's my candy so far, but I'm gonna, add a little bit more to it, like these spiders here. So I chose these green glitter spiders. They're kind of hard to see, but I chose the green glitter spiders. And I just thought that the green looks good with the black. I didn't want to do orange or black on black, even though I love black on black, but I wanted to do like something that'll pop. So I found these green spiders to match the bows, and I'm just gonna kind of hot glue them. Put a little tiny bit of hot glue because it's plastic, it'll melt. Hot glue them over the candy, okay? Just to add a nice little pop, just like that. So it looks like right here, where the legs come out at, that's where you want to glue at, on the bottom. Literally like a little dab. So, boom, and boom. You can put one on a tip too if you really want to. Just rub a little tiny dab right there. Okay, and let's just stick it on there. But I think this really just adds a cute touch to it. So this pack comes with 6 spiders, and I'm going to use them all. If y'all's enjoying this DIY project so far, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Do you plan to try this for one of the little kiddos, or even yourself or someone else in your family? It's super easy, cute. Like, you cannot go wrong with this giant candy. So I have 4 covering the front here. I'm not so much worried about the back. But if you want to cover the back, go ahead and get 2 packs of the spiders. But I like how it's covering the front like this. And then the back has that little piece of tape. Or you can fold the tape under the tablecloth so you don't even see the tape. All right, sweeties, here's my giant candy. I love this project. Let me know how much you love it in the comment section. If you want to see more projects like this, just say more in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Share, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 6. Peace.
Sweet thing. And now you're mine.